Welcome back. I've got the ladies from the Byers United Methodist Church joining us here this morning, here to talk about your annual pie sale. So excited. Debbie and Kathy here. What kind of pies did you bring us in this morning?
This one's coconut meringue. This one's French silk, which is a chocolate mousse type with whipped cream.
This one's cold, and this one just came out of the oven.
I can smell it, and I just felt the pan. It looked great. Now, this is just two examples of some of the pies that you can get during your annual pie sale. And you've been doing this for years.
Oh, yes.
About 30.
Yeah.
About 30 years now. Yep.
I know you've been coming on the morning show for at least 15, so we appreciate it.
Yep. Almost 1,000 pies almost every year. So
wow.
It's done well. Yeah.
Wow. So what do you guys use the money for that you raise for the pies?
We use it for area missions. So it goes to different things that are close to our hearts, like God's Resort. I call it Life Choices, but it's Crisis Pregnancy Center. You know, that's one of them that does it. What's
Water Gardens.
Water Gardens, yeah. Cross Lines. We
yes,
just kind
Cross Lines,
of
yes.
different. We kind of divvy it out. Just give the money out after we pay for the ingredients and those sort of things. And of course, our time's free.
Well, and I mean, you guys have been making them especially. But how many volunteers do you have that help you out with the pies?
We have about 10 to 12, depending on the day.
So that's a lot of pies.
Yeah,
Yes.
we start ahead of time though. We've been making frozen cherry and frozen apple pies for the last several weeks, and so we get them done and in the freezer, and that way we have that done, because that takes a bit to peel all those apples, and I would say go pick out the cherries, but we don't pick them. We just get them frozen, and then
We make the filling.
Yeah,
though.
they're the tart
no
cherries.
canned
Yeah,
stuff
there's no
comes
canned,
out of our
yeah,
kitchen.
yeah.
All homemade pies.
Yes.
From the crust up, yeah.
So what are some of the options for pies that you can get?
So the other kinds that we have is butterscotch meringue, chocolate meringue, banana, and lemon meringue, and they can be meringue pies like this, or they can be whipped topping like this. This is a French silk, and then we have pumpkin, peanut butter, pecan, French silk, and then chocolate cream also, and then the fruit pies, the apple and the cherry. And we also have sugar-free pies, so that's handy too. The sugar-free pies are apple, chocolate, lemon, and coconut that they can choose.
Is there a place where someone can go to find all of the information and place orders?
Yes.
Yes. On our website, it's Byers UMC.org.
Right, and they'll be, hey, it's pie time on there.
Yes, and of
And
course.
it's super simple.
And we will place a link to that on our
great,
website
great.
with this interview as well.
Yes.
When do sales start, and when can people start picking up pies?
Sales start on Saturday, July 1st, and on the website there's also, it says the pickup time. I think Saturday is 5 to 7,
Yeah.
and then we do Monday and Tuesday. We're off on Sunday, we rest.
There you go.
Kind of.
And Tuesday's the 4th, so
Yes,
so you
yes,
have
yes.
options to have pies at
Yes.
all of your 4th of
Big
July
and little.
celebrations.
We have littles too.
The minis,
Oh,
and
so
these are the
nice.
big ones. Yeah, we have a mini
you're
like a
supporting
chicken pot pie size, that size. Yeah.
several good causes
Yes,
as well.
yes.
Well, thank you once again for
Thank
coming in
you.
this year.
Thank
you.
you.
We appreciate
Thank you.
Until next time.
Okay. Okay.
We'll be right back.